Okay, so I'm in my kitchen here and I was gonna grab a drink. I figure why not start off the series with something that's pretty easy. So I'm gonna show you how I get my drinks and stuff like that, and how to open it. Where's he at? Jasper, come here, buddy. Jasper. Hey, come here. Go in. As you can see, I got my refrigerator in my pantry. It's real tight to move in here, so Jasper's gonna give me a hand. Jasper, tug. Tug. Yeah, good boy, tug. That's it, buddy. Good boy. Come on. Alright. Well, he didn't give me a hand here, but he will give me a hand. I opened it myself. Alright. So here we go. No, don't push it yet. Stop. Not yet. These are my drinks. I have them on the door panel here because I can't reach in here. So just go like this. Grab it. Put it on my lap. Now Jasper snuck out of here. He doesn't want to work today. Come on, Spasmo. Jasper, go in. Jasper, go in. Jasper, come here. Jasper, come on. Come on. Go in. Go back. Go back. Jasper, push. Push. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. That dog you heard squeal was my little dog Spaz here. He's always hiding right by my wheelchair, and he's going blind and he's going deaf. So lately I've been kind of bumping into him because he's always right next to me and he can't hear my chair move anymore. And I keep forgetting, right, Spaz? Right, buddy? So what I'm going to do is grab this soda, get it in my hand, make sure I have a firm grip on it, and then put my teeth, my front teeth, in between the little tab here, and kind of just use that to put my teeth in between there and just kind of pull the can back a little bit and use my teeth as like a wedge to open it up. So I'll show you this. So got the soda, got to get it in my hand, which I'll just put my finger around it like this. Alright, so I'm going to put my teeth in between it. That's it. Good for beer too. Oh yeah. So that's it for this video. My next one will probably be on video games or something. And I'm going to go watch the Colts upset the Ravens because I think that Flacco sucks and he's overrated. But it looks like the Ravens just got a fumble, so that sucks.